Waleed Abu al Khair is a human rights activist and attorney in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
He is a 43-year-old father.
Waleed called for human rights and democratic reforms in his country and founded the organization Monitor for Human Rights.
The American Bar Association awarded Waleed their 2019 Human Rights Award, except he was not able to receive it.
He was sitting in prison.
On July 6, 2014, the Saudi criminal court sentenced Waleed Abu al Khair to 15 years in prison.
The charges, according to the court, are disobeying the ruler and seeking to remove his legitimacy,
Insulting the judiciary and questioning the integrity of judges, setting up an unlicensed organization,
harming the reputation of the state by communicating with international organizations,
and preparing, storing, and sending information that harms public order.
These charges stem from his peaceful work as a human rights attorney and his exercise of the rights to freedom of expression, association, and assembly.
They also stem from his signing of a petition that criticized the heavy-handedness of the Saudi authorities in dealing with 16 reformists.
Waleed has complained of torture and other ill treatment in prison. He has faced solitary confinement and been deprived of sleep by constant exposure to bright lights.
He has also claimed to have been beaten and deprived of his special diet and said that his diabetes has not been properly treated.
Waleed's diabetes puts him at greater risk for COVID-19 and other communicable diseases that are easily spread in prison.
We are all calling on the Saudi authorities to take the following actions.
Release Waleed immediately and unconditionally, as he is being held solely for the peaceful exercise of his rights to freedom of expression, association, and assembly.
quash his conviction and prison sentence, and drop all charges.
Ensure he's protected from torture and other ill treatment, and that he's provided adequate medical care as needed.
And finally, stop the crackdown on activists and their use of social media.
Waleed Abu al Khair is a prisoner of conscience and must be immediately released and unconditionally released.
Waleed Abu al Khair is not a terrorist.
Waleed is a human rights defender.
A human rights defender is not a terrorist.
Standing up for human rights is not a crime.
Waleed should not be living behind bars. Please reunite him with his family.
Now is the time to free Waleed Abu al Khair.
Free Waleed.
Rilasciate Waleed.
Free Waleed.
Free Waleed. Free Waleed. Free Waleed.